What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll be vacuuming with the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. So just a little background info. This thing's been sitting up for quite a long time. Since I last did a video on it, that was the last time I pretty much used it, honestly. But it's been very cold here. It's winter time. It's very, very cold. It's been in the 20s. It's been in the it's been in the 20s, low 30s for quite a long time. And this vacuum stays in the garage, and that's all the dirt from the garage, and yeah, it's very dirty. This thing doesn't get very much attention, honestly, but I will take it apart eventually and give it a clean, try and fix it. But this thing is extremely loud, so before I start this vacuum video, I recommend to turn down your volume, because especially if you're wearing headphones, because this vacuum right now is extremely loud. And yeah, so I need you guys to just turn down your volume so I don't get blamed on or something saying, hey, you didn't tell us to give us a volume warning. Well, here you are. I'm giving you a volume warning right now. So this vacuum is extremely loud. I think it's the fan, but I don't think it's the bearings. But I think it's the fan, but hopefully it's not the bearings, because that would suck. And I'm not gonna go through the process and replace the bearings on a Bissell vacuum. No, no, no. All right, so like I said, this vacuum is extremely loud. I think it's the fan. There's a lot of dirt in the fan, but this vacuum is extremely loud. So this is gonna be we're gonna vacuum this little area right here with this Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. And again, it's been sitting up for a long time. It's been very cold, and this thing doesn't get cleaned very often. I haven't cleaned it very much. So yeah, that's kind of part of me just not taking care of it properly. But yes, here we go with the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo exceedingly loud vacuuming video. So here we go. Hope you guys enjoy. It's pretty loud. But anyways, it seems it still works, it still cleans, it still functions, but as you can see, it's very, very loud. So I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and clean the fan, clean the motor, and basically just clean the whole vacuum. So anyways, but that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Probably not like these though. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. You can see this thing is very, very loud. But again, I need to take it apart and give it a clean the motor, clean the fan, clean up the whole vacuum basically. So anyways, today's December 26th, so happy late Christmas to everybody. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have for you guys, and hope everyone had a good Christmas. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today, and that's it. So Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo, natural vacuuming, very loud vacuuming. So anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, guys, boo, boo, peace out.